closer, come here. I got a game changer. This cocktail right here is perfect for any game night, girls' night out, or maybe just a weekend at home. I want to introduce to you a cocktail mixer that is mess-free, easy, and best of all, tasty. This is New York Cocktail Infusion Mixer. I first found this at Home Goods and quickly found out that they have several flavors. Here is the strawberry daiquiri, and I also did a Singapore Sling. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to look like a superstar at your girls' night out or maybe it's game night. Easy peasy. We'll first take this paper on off. We have our strainer that we'll use much later and some instructions. Now your Home Goods may not carry this, and that's okay. I got you covered. In the description below, there is a link to the company website where you can purchase this one and many more cocktail mixers. So, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Ooh, that's difficult. It smells so good. Now in here, as you can probably see here, is looks like some powdery substance, probably some sugar possibly, and then they've got like dried strawberries, some dried lemons, and not for sure what else, but it's real simple. We're going to take our favorite white rum, and we're simply going to pour. Oh, we need a funnel too to make it less messy. And we're simply just gonna pour our white rum. I had a little extra. So this is the strawberry daiquiri one. So it required the white rum. And if there's certain liquor that you prefer, you can simply look on the label and it will let you know which alcohol to add to the mixer. And the other one that I made, the Singapore Sling, required gin. So it's different liquors for each mixer. And then we simply want to shake it on up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. Those my age know exactly what song that is. I'm dating myself. Anyway, so we want to shake it up really good. And then it recommends that you put this in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 hours. Now I found that it works best if you keep it in the refrigerator overnight, that most of the sugar that's in here will have dissolved by then. If you wait the 5 hours, you still have some of the sugar that hasn't quite dissolved. So I usually keep mine in for overnight. And so shake it up. And then I go in the refrigerator ever so often and I shake it up as well. And so now we're gonna go ahead and throw that in the fridge. But I have one already done for you. As you can see, this is the Singapore, I can't speak. Singapore Sling. And this one had actually, what's in this one? This one had dried oranges, dried pineapple, and dried limes as well as sugar. And then I simply added the gin. Now it is time to enjoy. Now because it has these limes and pineapples and such, you want to use your strainer because you don't want that and the seeds to get into your liquor. So we're simply going to strain. Ooh, look at that. All right. I need a straw. And usually with the Singapore Sling, you usually top with some pineapple juice. I ain't made it to the store, so I don't have my pineapple juice, but woo! Yeah, buddy. This will be a good one for the girls' night out. Tasty. And will definitely get you right. Go ahead, try out the New York cocktail infusion mixers. Really, really good. Tasty, easy to use. There's no guessing as to how much of X, Y, and Z that I need. If any of this information is helpful to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can know when I upload more videos similar to this. See you guys next time. Cheers.